Welcome to Dr. JALIL Photography. Today I'm here again in these woods. You can see in my back there are plenty of long trees and there are some bushes around. I came here for macro photography. Now I'll be walking through these woods and there are a lot of bushes around. I'll try to do some macro photography around this place. Now it is rainy season and it's cloudy today. It was raining in the morning, but not at this moment, but no direct sunlight. I'll not be using any radiant diffuser. I'll be using Sony A7riii camera, Sony 70-200 zoom lens, but it has got macro feature. You can see there's a macro option here. So I'll be using macro option in the lens. So let me try. Let me go inside this trail and find some suitable subject. I'll show you if I have anything interesting today at the end of this video. I'm going inside these woods and I'll try to find some insects, especially spider, if I can find. Let me try. You see, there are green fields and some bamboo trees on my right, and on my left there are some eucalyptus trees. Let me try this small bush here. Can I find a spider or any beetles? I'll be looking around this bush. I found one Kamarika spider in a beautiful green twig. You see, I've taken the twig out and I'll take some picture of this Kamarika spider. This, the Kamarika spider sitting inside this twig, and I'm taking multiple shots, changing the direction. Let me check. The Kamarika spider is out of the twig, sitting on the surface and walking here and there. I found a beautiful caterpillar, black color. It is walking through somersault motion. I'll take some picture of this one as well on this green leaf. Since this caterpillar doesn't have any spiky hair on its body, so I'm not that scared. Otherwise, I wouldn't have held it like this. I will explain in another video how I was affected by spiky caterpillar in my macro work. Let me take some picture. I am holding it upwards for a different background. I am taking pictures in different background. Sometime in green background, sometime putting on against the soil down there, sometime against the sky. So I will have pictures in different background. I am taking pictures at 200mm of this lens, and from a very close distance. Let me try how sharp it is. I'm taking all pictures I'm taking in a burst mode. If you like my techniques, if you like my videos, if you are new in my channel, please subscribe, press the bell icon for my upcoming projects. Thank you for watching until the end. Bye bye.